We are delighted to be here today on Children's Day, celebrating 10 years of association with Dipalya for the Sambhav Center. It's wonderful to see these little kids, the smiles on their face, and it gives us at Large Jagdish Foundation a great amount of happiness and satisfaction to see how the center has progressed over the last 10 years. So we want to thank Dipalya for all the help and guidance that they have given to this project and for managing it so well. So on behalf of Large Jagdish Foundation, we want to convey our gratitude to Dipalya and our love and affection and good wishes to all the children at the Sambhav Center.
बंदिया रे बंदिया राह पे चले बंदिया बंदिया रे बंदिया बंदिया रे बंदिया राह पे चले बंदिया रुक जा रे बंदिया ये रात जरा सी है बात समझ बंदिया कुछ देर ही बाकी है रखिए आँखों से बादल आज हट जाएगा चांद तेरी आँखों में बंदिया चल के आएगा तन्नारुम नारुम तन्नारुम तन्नारुम तारारुम तन्नारुम बंदिया रे बंदिया बंदिया रे बंदिया राह पे चल बंदिया बंदिया रे बंदिया बंदिया रे बंदिया राह पे चल बंदिया मन की मुश्किल है सफर पर सुन लो मुसाफिर हो कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर कदम कदम मिलाए जा गगन गगन झुकाए जा रखो हौसला कर फैसला तुझे वक्त बदलना है डरना तू बंदिया रुकना तू बंदिया राह पे चल बंदिया डरना तू बंदिया रुकना तू बंदिया राह पे चल बंदिया तन्नारुम तारारुम तन्नारुम तन्नारुम तारारुम तन्नारुम बंदिया रे बंदिया बंदिया रे बंदिया राह पे चल बंदिया बंदिया रे बंदिया बंदिया रे बंदिया राह पे चल बंदिया। थैंक यू।
Let me read how soul lifting it is always to visit this place, to meet with the children. We think of our life problems, but when you meet these children, when you see them, it's indeed inspiring. Let me formally mention Mr. Jyoti Sagar, Ms. Prema, Dolly, Apurva, and all the wonderful people who have been here. We pay a tribute to your contribution. And as a small gesture, the programs that the children have put together is a way of saying thank you to Mr. Jyoti Sagar, all his associates, Prema, and all those wonderful people who have been here. Now, working for a project like this calls for special care and special attention. None of this would have been possible if we had no funding from the Large Jagdish Foundation. And that's what keeps us going. And this is a special program. Whenever we want people to realize the problems of the underprivileged, we show them how these children are coping with their own difficulties. all that we do is to facilitate them, give them from their homes. But what you see within each one of them is a desire to do better in whatever manner they can. Many of them are disabled, different types of disabilities. But through all that, there is a glimmer of hope which keeps them going and keeps us going. So I would say a big thank you to the children, and we join in seeing what they have put together as a thank you message for Jyoti Sagar, Raj Jagdish Foundation, all those wonderful people who have come here today. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. So, I don't know where to start and where to end because this association and this day is not just, a 10-year celebration. It is of more than 3.5 years of decade that Sir has been associated with our organization. And so, मैं पहले से ही apologize कर देती हूँ if I mess up or skip up anything. So, appropriately on the right day today, which is Children's Day, to mark how such wonderful children of late Srimati, Lalji and Shri Jagdish Ji are making them proud, even when they are not there, but they are making, in form of this project, they are still here with us in that form. So there could not have been a better day than today because Sir, you, Adarsh ma'am, Ritu ma'am, have been such wonderful children and your families have been so supportive of the entire work that you do. Sambhav had not been Sambhav. ये सिर्फ एक आशा थी जिसको संभव I think आप लोग ही कर पाए हैं because in fact to the point that this name, the word Sambhav also was given by the Sagar family to Deepalia and ये possibilities, ये संभवता को कितने अच्छे से आगे ले जाके I think it justifies whenever Sir is here, whenever the family is here. Even the smallest details that he would note and he would recommend has helped us improve and strengthen the entire program so much. I mean, with a mere act of kindness, there's so much of difference that one can make. And this, we are talking about a decade long of interventions, of support, of recommendations, of consultations, and Sir has always been, encouraging of whatever initiative that we want to. Not just from the point to have this center for the children who are specially able, but also to constantly think about what points, what inputs, what accreditations can enhance the overall performance of children, can contribute them, and especially for families that are from low-income groups, when they see their children not going to a school, is very devastating, especially for the family that is also special, who has a child who is specially able. So to see them also children who are specially able and differently able going to school and regularly commuting to school, studying there, learning computers, learning some vocational skills, they are going for speech therapies, physiotherapies. It's a wonderful achievement for also the family. So today it's not just on behalf of Dipalya, but also on behalf of those families that we are acknowledging and very, very truly and sincerely appreciative of the support that you've always extended from our libraries to our centers to our students whom also benefited from the scholarship program, and to definitely Sambhav. I remember meeting Sir Adarsh ma'am when I joined 2 years back, and it appeared as if we are meeting somebody whom we know from a long time, because it never appeared like a giver and seeker equation at any moment. Sir made it so easy. He made it appear like we are all one family and there's one common goal and vision that we share is for the students to benefit out of it. And from that day we've met thrice, sir. This is our 4th meeting, but it has always been, each meeting, you know, there's an enthusiasm, there's an eagerness among us all that we always look forward to. And so with Adarsh ma'am and Ritu ma'am, when we got a moment to, you know, we got this opportunity to be able to represent Sambhav project at DICES, which is the division, it's an international division for the special education. And we had that last year in Bangalore. And there also, what Sambhav as a project was doing, there was nobody else in that entire forum who was doing and working with such marginalized communities. They were all educators from established, structured schools, from elite communities and countries. And they were very curious to understand and know this better as to how did you reach out to those families, how did you identify, because children and people who are differently able, they only comprise of roughly 3 to 6% of the entire population. And children would also more be a lesser and a smaller cohort. So they were very curious to understand, and there when they understood that there are mobilizers, in fact children who cannot, they are severely, they have eligibilities and abilities due to which they cannot come to our center, we make sure to reach out to them. We are also giving home-based services and intervention. So I think I can go on and on. I can take too long to also speak. I'm sure I'm missing most of the things that I wanted to speak of. But at this platform, I'm truly grateful and thankful to Sir Adarsh ma'am, Ritu ma'am, who always are so appreciative, encourages us for everything. We have Prema ma'am with us, and she's also been very, very supportive. When I remember meeting her in 22, when we had come, and ma'am was always recommending our students to, you can take them to Shroff, and we did ma'am. Your support, we did send our students and they were linked and recommended, and we did do that bit of licensing. I want to put a halt to my speech, which could be very boring for the kids on this occasion of Children's Day, but I extend my wishes to the entire Sagar family and the team who joined from the Genesis, the larger Reach, the KNS, Zaria Foundation also helped us. So at this moment, I am also appreciative of their support and extending their services and support to us. We have made a small video, which I'm sure आप बच्चों को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. आप लोग अगर ध्यान से सब बच्चे देखेंगे, हो सकता है आपको इस वीडियो में आप भी नजर आए. तो आपको बिल्कुल चुपचाप ये वीडियो पे देखना है ध्यान से. And this is for a small personalized video and messages from everybody at our organization.
To reflect on a wonderful association between Deepalaya and Mr. Jyoti Sagar, a wonderful human being. His association with us has been for more than 30 years, and this has transformed into special projects for the underprivileged and the differently abled. His project, supported by him for the last 10 years, known as Sambhav, has got international attention, and he continues to support this with all passion. It's deeply touching to see the large Jagdish Foundation set up by him and his siblings in memory of their parents, rendering such great service to society. We are deeply privileged to be associated with Mr. Jyoti Sagar and his team. Thank you so much.
Over the last 3 decades, Jyoti Sagar sir is associated with Deepalaya for various programs and projects where the children and the needy is more essentially required his support. Deepalaya's intervention for education, the community library and the programs where children go for higher education, he supported in various forums. In his initial years, he supported for education and the well-being of the society, and he also makes sure that our children excel in their higher studies and got some kind of employment after the education. More than 55 children are benefited from his support.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम खुशबू है। मैं संभव प्रोजेक्ट में 2013 में एडमिशन ली थी। यहीं से मैंने अपनी 11th और 12th कंप्लीट की। फिर मुझे यहीं से इग्नू से BSAW कोर्स कराया गया और 2023 में मैं यहाँ वोकेशनल टीचर हूँ।
During 2010-11, the recession started. Deepalaya have financial crisis wherein we have difficulties in implementing the programs where Jyoti Sagar sir extended his support through his family, and his sisters also joined with their parents' name. Raj Jagdish Foundation was formed during 2014 with Deepalaya. Now we have completed 10 years of his association in this project Sambhav.
Project Sambhav is a place where we work and feel very happy at the end of the day, and we can say here children with special needs express themselves and show their latent talent. I take this opportunity to express my wholehearted gratitude to the Raj Jagdish Foundation and its trustees.
संभव में जो हमारे स्पेशल बच्चे हैं उनके साथ मैं काम करती हूँ। स्पेशल बच्चों को मैं एजुकेशन भी करती हूँ, साइन लैंग्वेज भी बच्चों को भी सिखाती हूँ। बहुत अच्छा लगता है बच्चों के साथ काम करना, क्योंकि मुझे काफ़ी साल हो गए। मुझे ये नहीं है कि मैं बच्चों के साथ काम ना करूँ, लेकिन ये कि मैं को बहुत इतना बच्चों से लगाव हो गया कि मैं कुछ बता नहीं सकती आपको, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है बच्चों के साथ काम करने के लिए।
He also developed the infrastructure in a differently abled child friendly setup during this period. Now you can see all the facilities are available at the center, and the children are getting and enjoying the learning at the center.
मेरा नाम रेखा है, मेरी बेटी का नाम अनुष्का है। मैं संजय कॉलोनी से आती हूँ और मेरी बेटी आती है। मुझे खुशी मिलती है कि चलो स्कूल तो कम से कम आते हैं ना यहाँ पे पढ़ने। मुझे यही सबसे बड़ी खुशी है कि मेरी बेटी स्कूल तो आती है कम से कम, और मेरी लड़की को देखभाल अच्छे से होते हैं। कोई बात नहीं, मुझे सबसे बड़ी बात है कि स्कूल आती है, पढ़े, अच्छी हो जाए, बस यही मुझे बहुत अच्छा है।
Now we have more than 15 places from the slum area. The children are attending our classes in Sambhav, where he is providing the transportation facility. Last time also he said if there is a requirement of 2 children from that community, you should start that route where the children should be accommodated into our center so that they can be having a happy life. I also thank to him for his and Adarsh Madam and Ritu Madam for supporting the library project infrastructure, where you can see the community library is functioning at Sanjay Colony, where our community children are coming and participating and enhancing their learning excellence through our library. He also come and see all the children are benefiting. He may be knowing by face each child's name and their standard, their disability, where the child is struggling. He also supporting for the nutrition support for the children, where he feel that the children is not adequately nourished. So that is also add on to this project. And of course it is a association we are looking for future also, where children can benefit from this support. Thank you so much, sir, and family, especially Ritu ma'am and Dr. Adarsh ma'am.
So also at this point, sir, definitely this is what everybody felt. I'm sure words do not justify the feeling that we have. We are also thankful to Vishnu, who's interpreting whatever we are speaking and saying to the entire children who are hearing and speech impaired in sign languages, to make sure that they also enjoy today's program. It is said that tears and smiles, both these things are very infectious. I mean, so thank you, sir, for taking away all those tears and giving them these dazzling smiles that they have today. And everybody and anybody who comes to our center, this is something which is very common. They are always cheerful by the end. They see and they leave. They always leave with the thought of bringing the same transformation in their own very ways. I would like to invite Prema ma'am, sir, and Dr. George John for a small memento that we will first present to.
নতুন বিয়ের ফুল ফুটেছে, এই হো পিয়ালি রে, এই হো দুলালি রে, এই হো পিয়ালি রে, এই হো দুলালি রে। আসলো ফাগুন মাসে বড়াল গাছে নতুন বিয়ের ফুল ফুটেছে, উথালি পাথালি মনে আলতা কোণে নতুন বিয়ের ফুল ফুটেছে। চিনি বিনি টাপাটিনি টানা টুনি তাসা, সাহেব বাবুর বউ এসে দেখতে ভারী খাসা, ধুলো কুটি গৌরী হেন ছি।
नमस्कार। सब बच्चों को बहुत बहुत प्यार। डॉक्टर जॉन, नेहा जी, कल्पना जी, सब अध्यापकगण यहाँ पर, और अब बाकी सब मेहमान, मेरे परिवार के लोग यहाँ पर हैं, जेनेसिस फाउंडेशन से हैं लोग, सबको बहुत बहुत नमस्कार। मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आज नवंबर 14 जो चिल्ड्रंस डे, बाल दिवस जिसको कहते हैं, उस दिन ये हम सब इकट्ठे होके यहाँ पर मिलके ये सब कार्यक्रम कर रहे हैं। मुझे बहुत खुशी है। जो बच्चे हैं वो किसी भी देश की सबसे कीमती संपत्ति हैं। बच्चे जो हैं वो देश का भविष्य है, और आप सब लोग यहाँ हैं जो मेरे प्रिय बच्चे, आप भी भारत का भविष्य है। और संभव जो हमने नाम रखा अपने सेंटर का, उसका भी मतलब यही है कि ये संभव है, और संभव भी नहीं है, आप सब लोग ये करेंगे। मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आज 10 साल से ज्यादा अब हमें हो गए लाल जगदीश फाउंडेशन को, इस सेंटर को सपोर्ट करते हुए, और इस समय में बहुत प्रगति हुई। 10 साल पहले जो संभव सेंटर था और जो 10 साल के बाद है, उसमें बहुत फर्क है। और ये सारा जो मेहनत इतनी जो हुई है वो सब दीपालिया टीम का काम है, और हम उनके बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं कि उन्होंने हमारी जो छोटी सी आशा थी, जो छोटी सी संभावना थी, उसको इतना अच्छा उन्होंने रूप दिया। तो मैं ज्यादा नहीं कहूंगा, बस यही कहूंगा कि आप सबको बहुत बधाई, आप सबको बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और आप सब बच्चों को बहुत बहुत प्यार। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
कुछ करिए, नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए, बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। भिड़ती उमंगों में, खेलों के मेलों में, पल खाती रेलों में, गन्नों के मीठे में, खद्दर में छींटे में, ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे तब ताबो गीतों में। रंग है समाज निखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे, मन जाए ऐसी होती, रग रग मचल के बोली, दस है ना मसके की, जिद है ना जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करिए। कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए।
कुछ पाने की हौसला
आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं मिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं मिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी चिट्टे सूट पे दाग पै गए चिट्टे सूट पे दाग पै गए गली तेरी विच गारा चिट्टे सूट पे दाग पै गए गली तेरी विच गारा वे कणियां च मैं भिज गई कणियां च मैं भिज गई तैनू मिलणे औंदी दिलदार कणियां च मैं भिज गई तैनू मिलणे औंदी दिलदार तू ना उठिया अद्धी रात में मुड़ गई दर खड़का के सूटा खिंच के धूप सौ गया जान करे बुला के तू ना उठिया अद्धी रात में मुड़ गई दर खड़का के सूटा खिंच के धूप सौ गया जान करे बुला के तेरी मेरी टूट जाऊं तू ता तेरी मेरी टूट जाऊं तू ता वैली हो गया पारा वे कणियां च मैं भिज गई कणियां च मैं भिज गई तैनू मिलणे औंदी दिलदार कणियां च मैं भिज गई तैनू मिलणे औंदी दिलदार तेरे पिछे अल्ले कवारी नी विच धक्के खावे ਪਿੱਛੇ ਅੱਲੜ ਕਵਾੜੀ ਨੀਂਦ ਤੱਕੇ ਖਾਵੇ ਵੇ ਨਿਰਦਈਆ ਸੋਲ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਤੇ ਤਰਸ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਬਾਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇਰੇ ਪੀਂਗ ਝੂਟ ਕੇ ਬਾਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇਰੇ ਪੀਂਗ ਝੂਟ ਕੇ ਲੈਣਾ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਹੁਲਾਰਾ ਵੇਖਣੀਆਂ ਚ ਮੈਂ ਭਿੱਜ ਗਈ ਵੇਖਣੀਆਂ ਚ ਮੈਂ ਭਿੱਜ ਗਈ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਦਿਲਦਾਰ ਵੇਖਣੀਆਂ ਚ ਮੈਂ ਭਿੱਜ ਗਈ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਦਿਲਦਾਰ ਫੋਨ ਵੀ ਕਰਿਆ ਤੂੰ ਨਾ ਚੱਕਿਆ ਕੈਸਾ ਏ ਬੇਫਿਕਰਾ ਜਾਨ ਤੇਰੀ ਨੇ ਜਾਗ ਜਾਗ ਕੇ ਰਾਤ ਲਗਾ ਲਈ ਮਿੱਤਰਾ ਫੋਨ ਵੀ ਕਰਿਆ ਤੂੰ ਨਾ ਚੱਕਿਆ ਕੈਸਾ ਏ ਬੇਫਿਕਰਾ एक तेरे खातिर ही ये possessive है, मैं तेरे पीछे पड़ा, पर तेरा बाजू है.
Jyoti Sagar sir, Prema ma'am, Dr. George John, and distinguished guests from KNS Pannes and Genesis Foundation, and our dear children. Happy Children's Day. It is a auspicious occasion of completing 10 years of association Sambhav. So, Raj Jagadish Foundation extended hand with Deepalaya to start this initiative Sambhav program. Now we are completing 10 years. Our major mission, Deepalaya, have started in 79 with 5 children. So today is the most appropriate day to celebrate our 10-year completion of the partnership with Raj Jagadish Foundation, Sambhav. And I am privileged to propose the vote of thanks for this today's meetings function, where our children performed well, and even though they're different disabilities, they performed well, and every children who are sitting here are happy. That is because of you. And I would like to thank Jyoti Sagar sir, Prema ma'am, and even though Adarsh madam and Ritu madam is not here, but I also extend thanks to them for their support and their दिल से उनसे धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि उनका बिना, उनका इनिशिएट के बिना ये संभव नहीं हो पाता. Thank you very much for Raj Jagadish Foundation and the trustees. I would like to thank the guests from KNS Pannes, especially Dolly, Apurva, Mrs. Ghosh, Mrs. Geeta, Aarti, and Mr. Troop Singh and Mr. Binesh, who came here and participated with us today. Thank you very much for your participation and gracing this occasion. In fact, KNS Pannes and Genesis Foundation, thank you so much for your visit. And I would also like to thank the children who all are participated here today with their enthusiasm and energy. They participated well and give everybody happy in this occasion. So I would like to thank all the Sambhav children, Learning Center children, and slum basketball children, and Nari Shakti participation. Thank you so much for your effort and the cultural program. And I would like to thank Dr. George John with his wisdom and leadership to lead us in achieving all this program successfully. Thank you, sir, for your good words and leadership. I would also like to thank Mrs. Neha. She is the program director, where all the nitty-gritties are looking after and giving guidance and making things are in proper way, and her time she always in discussing thing in detail so that there is no gap. So thank you so much, Neha, for your leadership and support. And I would also thank all the teachers from Sambhav and Learning Center, also Mr. Ambar, who anchored this program for wonderful occasion where we celebrated the 10-year association with Raj Jagadish Foundation. I also thank all my kids who are present here and patiently listening and participating. And I would thank all of you once again. Thank you so much.